We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with ATR, and ATR stock pulled back and quickly started to bring itself back up. And here we are almost at a break-even sideways action after that dip. Now, I did break through some key support levels, which we're going to talk about in today's video. But today, you're definitely going to want to stick around because 42 Vision and Ultimate 42 Vision is showing some very interesting moves here and some interesting data based off the chart. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned over at the Discord. So the opportunities I mentioned this morning turned out to give realistic expectations, 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day turned out to be our SPY bot. Now, our SPY bot had sent out a bear indicator since yesterday at 6 p.m., and it rolled over into today, and at the bell the SPY continued to go lower, and put options were up 4x to 10x within an hour, guys, and within the day it gave multiple opportunities to maximize on. And this is our new release and resource that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going down or going up. And you can now join the members using this resource to maximize within the volatility, having that edge and clarity that they deserve and the edge and clarity that you deserve. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators, getting connected to the SPY bot. We also have a QQQ bot, and we have a Tesla bot on the way. It looks like we're going to release it this week, and it's going to be awesome. And we have other bots on the way as well. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with ATR sitting sideways, slightly downward, and then bounce right back up towards the end of the day. Now, the whole market was turbulent today. There was a lot of volatility, and this is where 42 Vision comes in to bring some clarity and give us that edge, right? So I'm going to go ahead and pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and also our new release, that's the Tesla bot, coming this week to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to this resource and join the members using it and receiving this edge and clarity within the volatility. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator. So here we have ATR sitting sideways and having a bull indicator quickly negating a bear indicator. Now, in yesterday's video, I talked about how we were going back and forth here, and overall picture, things are going downwards. And yes, this bull indicator is still there. And the only thing that would make this bearish is if a bear indicator popped up to negate this bull indicator. Now, quickly after, within the end of the day, we just got a bull indicator now negating this bear indicator. So this got negated, this bear indicator got negated, and now momentum is trying to come back up for ATR. Now, this stock is in the process of a possible squeeze due to its short interest and also news of a new member to its board. So all of this is contributing to this possible short squeeze effect. The short interest is pretty high, which we talked about in yesterday's video. And here we have it. We're going to break down the technicals here. And based off the 30-minute, things are very volatile. Going from a bear and bull indicator within the same day, that's a lot of volatility. And we're going to have to see if this could continue. But before we break that down, I want to share with you guys the 4-hour and the 1-day to look at the bigger picture. So this has been under a bull indicator since down here at 246, hit highs here at 423, came back down, and now it's reversing, right? Going from dark green with red borders, which we were watching very carefully if we would shift into that, going back up to dark green with green borders, as you could see there, trying to do that reversal effect, and no bear indicator in this pullback. This is looking like a setup for the next bull run if it can continue to hold and no bear indicator or red bars pop up, because the last time that happened, you could see those shifts right there. That's what we want to avoid. We don't want the chart to look like that. That's what we're watching and monitoring very carefully on the 4 hour. So right now, trying to reverse back up. This bull indicator is dominating the chart, and that's going to be important going into tomorrow and even the rest of this week and next week. So here on the 1 day, we have the whole entire transition happen, okay? The transitions go from white with red borders all the way up towards dark green, and then bright green, and then after bright green, it comes back down, right? So you could see a full transition right here from white with red borders last year in August, from $3 all the way up to 18. I'm not stating that's going to squeeze just like that as well. This is just an example so you guys could see how 42 vision works and why seeing the dips and having this clarity and edge is so significant to maximizing on opportunities, and then having the bull and bear indicators to give us that extra layer of confirmation within all the volatility. Because once that bear indicator popped up, yeah, it ran back up, no bull indicator, things were still bearish, and it lasted all the way until literally this year, right? And the last several months. So the whole transition is white with red borders all the way to green, and here we have a complete transition from this dip area back up to red with green borders, dark green, and bright green. And I stated we need to see these bars follow each other and become larger than the next, okay? This small bar right here is a consolidation, and now the next bar needs to be larger than the previous one and have that continuation going to the upside. And I always state this, excuse my terrible drawing, it's just to give you guys the principle of the whole entire concept here. And as long as no bear indicator pops up and no further transitions to the downside, then this bull indicator may continue to dominate in the chart. But based off 42 vision from dip area to rip area, we've done a complete transition, and this could have a moment of pausing or continuation. So right now in the bigger picture, we're seeing strength. So if we go over to the 4 hour, we still see strength there as well within the volatility. And then we have the 30-minute here within this consolidation and trying to bring itself back up. So the first thing is this support here, 331, 330 is significant. It got broken through, but we're back above it. That is still support to watch. And then below that, the low of the day today, 313. That is super significant. And then back down towards $3. Those are key levels right now to see if the bulls have some strength here and if they can actually squeeze some shorts out of their position. So it has to continue to hold above and actually push up and use these resistance levels as support as well. So the high of the day here was 358. That's going to be key and a key level to watch. And then above that, yesterday's high in the aftermarket hours, 373, where it tried to come back up. And then obviously back up above $4 and $4.20. Those are key levels right now within this chart. And if they can go ahead and the bulls push this higher, more shorts could get trapped in the process. And some of the shorts that started shorting up here could also become part of the effect of this process of a short squeeze possibility, right? So right now, yes, this bear indicator got canceled out. We got a bull indicator on the 4 hour. We got a bull indicator on the 30-minute and the 1 day. If you guys want to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot. We have the Tesla bot on the way to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to this resource as well and join the members using this resource to maximize within the volatility, receiving that edge and clarity that they deserve and making opportunities to either direction. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.